Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you are fine and studying well. I am Samir, and today I am going to teach you Social Science, Standard 7, Chapter number 9, India Social Life. So, in previous video, you learned about the social life of West Indian people and the social life of North Indian people. Now, let's continue our chapter. So, the third one is social life of the people of South India. So, you all are aware about some little bit about South Indian people. South Indian people eats idli, vada, sambar, mendu vada, etc. Still, let's see one video about the South Indian people uh, cuisine and other diets and dressing about the South Indian people. Let's see one video.
South India. The states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Union Territory of Puducherry are included in South India. Southern India is a peninsula and each state has seacoast. Food. In southern states, rice and fish form the main diet. Idli, dosa, medu vada, etc., along with the coconut chutney, a famous rice preparation of South India. They eat rasam, which is like dal or gravy in their meal. Coconut leaves are used as dish in Kerala. Dressing. Due to hot and humid weather in south, people wear loose garments. Lungi, pahiran, khas on the shoulder, and occasionally a headgear are common attire among men. Women wear sari in southern style, petticoat and blouse. Keralites wear lungi or short dhoti. Ladies put on flower strips or veni on their head. Dwellings. People live in houses of brick and cement. Modern housing is seen in Bengaluru and Chennai. People living near seacoast use coconut leaves in their huts. A rangoli is a daily routine in South India. Language. Languages in South India belong to Dravid family of languages. Kannada language is spoken in Karnataka. Other languages spoken are Telugu in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Tamil in Tamil Nadu, and Malayalam in Kerala. Festivals and holy days. Andhra Pradesh is famous for its Kuchipudi dance. Shivratri, Makar Sankranti festivals are celebrated there. Mysore in Karnataka celebrates Dashera, Eid, and Navratri festivals. Kathakali is a well-known dance of Kerala. Onam, Christmas, Eid, Shivratri are other festivals celebrated in Kerala. Bharatnatyam is very famous dance style of Tamil Nadu and Pongal is its main festival. Lifestyle, Eastern India.
So, you have seen the social life of the people of the South India. The people of South India are benefited by the long sea coast. that is why they are short and sturdy in build. Rice is the staple diet, with fish being an integral component of coastal South India. They prefer to eat on banana leaves, especially in Kerala, on all important occasions. Idli, dosa, sambar, vada are some of the famous food items. South Indian cuisine is very well known and popular. South Indian women traditionally wear sari and adorn their hair with sweet smelling garlands of flower. The men wear either a white dhoti or a colorful lungi. The fishermen wear clothes to suit their occupation. The houses are made of bricks, wood, bamboo, stones, and mud. They have sloping roofs as it rains heavily in these areas. People residing near the coastal areas live in the huts. The bamboo furniture used in these houses are beautifully made. Houseboats are seen in the backwaters of the Kerala too. Now, languages. Different languages are spoken in southern India. English and regional languages like Tamil in Tamil Nadu, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada are widely spoken. Famous of their passion for religion, tradition, custom, and culture. People living in South India follow a very ritualistic lifestyle. Therefore, festival of South Indian make them popular all over the globe, like Onam, Pongal, boat races, Dashehra, and Diwali are celebrated with a great enthusiasm. The famous dance, Mohiniyattam and Kathakali of Kerala, Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh are the famous dances of the South India. Just think about it. Think what picture in this picture. What is there in this picture? The boat race in Kerala. Farming and fishing are the major occupations of the people are there. Supposed to ask in your exams, which is the major occupations of the South Indian people? So the answer is farming and fishing are the major occupations of the people there. Paddy is the main crop of the region. People seek their livelihood through industries in urban areas too. South Indian culture, with its visible differences in customs and traditions, form important part of the Indian culture. So I hope you all note down about the South Indian culture and social life. Now let's learn about the social life of the people of East India. So before learn, let's see a one video.
The states of Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim, Meghalaya, etc. are included in eastern India. Of these, Odisha and West Bengal have seacoast. Food. People in Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and West Bengal take roti vegetables but use more rice in their meals. Rice is a staple diet in mountainous region. They also use pulses, green vegetables in their meals. Rasgulla and Sandesh are their favorite sweets. Like to know, Satvo or Sattu is a special dish eaten in Bihar. Tea is a widespread drink in Assam. Dressing. Bihari people wear dhoti, zappo, case on shoulder and a pug or headgear. Women put on sari, petticoat and blouse. There is not much difference in the attire of people in Jharkhand, Assam and Odisha. Bengali ladies wear sari in Bengali style and gents put on plaited or with folds dhoti and silk jabbo. Dwellings. People in plain region live in houses made of bricks and cement. People in mountains use wood and bamboo in their houses. Slanting roofs are seen in the regions of heavy rainfall. In Bengal, there is a pukur or small pond in the rear of the house. Fish is reared for daily use in their meals. Language. Hindi is spoken in Jharkhand, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. Maithili, Bhojpuri and Magadhi are dialects spoken in Bihar, Assami in Assam, Odia in Orissa and Bengali in Bengal are other spoken languages in the respective states. Garo and Khasi languages are spoken in Meghalaya. Mizo dialect is used in Mizoram. Festivals and holy days. Bihu of Assam and Odissi in Odisha are famous dance styles. The chariot procession of Jagannath Puri is world famous. Festivals of Chhath and Bhaiya Dooj in Bihar and Durga Puja in Bengal are celebrated with great pomp. Thus, every state has its own festivals and holy days. India is a secular country, so every state celebrates religious and national festivals. In India, festivals of all religions are celebrated without any partiality.
So, have you noticed the social life of the people of East India? Most of the people of Eastern India live in rural areas since the region comprises of mountains, plantation agriculture is practiced widely, especially tea. The staple food of the people is rice and fish. But beside that, people also consume pulses and vegetables. Rasgulla, the famous cheese based syrup dessert of West Bengal, is a popular all over the world. Cheese based syrup dessert west of West Bengal is popular all over the world. People prefer to wear cotton ankle length cloth as the region faces a tropical monsoon climate. People are usually short in height. Men wear dhoti kurta while women wrap their sari in a traditional pattern. Here you can see that the dress of Western Indian people. Most of the houses of Eastern India are made of bamboo and wood, but some are also made of brick and cement. Tribals in forest area are live in hut spread over the forest area. The houses have sloping roofs due to the excessive rains. The backyards of the most houses have small ponds known as a pukur. What is known as a pukur? In which pisciculture is a fish breeding system known as a pisciculture is practiced. Assami, Bengali, Oriya are commonly spoken by the people of the Eastern India. Hindi and English are also spoken marginally. Many festivals brighten the lives of the people of this region. Bihu, Ojapali, the folk dance of Assam are very famous. Bihu and Ojapali are very folk dances Assam are very famous. India believes in secularism. India believes in secularism and Indians have a liberty of following the religion of their choice. Secularism means the India believes in all religions and promoted all the religions. Equality given to all religions. India has liberty to follow in the religion of their choice. India offers outstanding variety in virtually every aspect of social life. Diversity of ethnic, linguistic, regional, economic, religious, class and caste group cross-cut Indian society, which is also permeated with immense urban-rural differences and gender distinctions. A variety of languages and dialects are spoken here. India being a multicultural and multi-religious society celebrates holidays and festivals of various religions. The three national holidays in India, the Independence Day, the Republic Day and the Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated with zeal and enthusiasm across India. However, with the passage of the time, many transformations can be seen in the Indian way of life. For example, changes are visible in diet, apparel, lifestyle, etc. Due to increase in communication, technology and faster means of transportation, globalization have brought about many changes in social life of the people. Suppose to ask you in the exam, you have to be right in your paper. Change is inevitable, natural and necessary. But our culture and heritage must be conserved. Man and environment are independent and thus along with culture and heritage, its prestige and honor must be preserved under all circumstances. The culture of India refers to the way of life of the people of India. India's languages, religion, dance, music, architecture, food and custom differ from place to place within the country. The Indian culture often labeled an amalgamations of several cultures span across the Indian subcontinent and has been influenced by a history that is several millennia old. The people of rural areas to enjoy this diversity. Diversity is seen in caste, color, creed, languages, culture, tradition, rituals, custom, thinking, and beliefs, right from northern state of Kashmir to its southernmost counterpart of Kanyakumari, and to warm western Gujarat of northern eastern Arunachal Pradesh. These are the fourth places in four directions of India. The political, social, and economic scenario is completely different from one another. Hence, India is known as the land of diversity. Suppose to ask in your exam, so why is India known as the land of diversity? So you have to write this answer. So I hope you understand about this chapter and read two more times thoroughly this chapter. And this is the lesson for you. Thank you.